Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is impossible to predict how long the current bear market will last, but going by past estimates it could last as long as 2 years.
No! God, please, no! No!
However, there are few events to watch that may impact this prediction. Fed slowing or reversing rate hikes, the 2024 Bitcoin halving I mentioned in my previous video, and government adoption and even Twitter integration. So guys, stay with me and we're going to dive deep into this topic, and I'm going to share my opinion how easily you can survive this bear market using these simple rules.
Faster! Faster!
As always, my name is Julia and this is a simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And guys, thank you so much for joining my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to grow it more so more people can understand crypto better. Hit that notification bell in order not to miss my videos. Don't forget to comment and like this video. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you can see more live content on Instagram and see more posts about crypto on my Twitter. I'll appreciate your support so much. Let's come back to our topic, guys. It's time we optimize our trading and investment strategies with the following tried and tested ways to survive crypto bear markets.
Hello!
And first one will be dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Is the best strategy that is proven to have worked extremely well even during the worst time of bear markets. It is a simple but long-term strategy where you continue buying small amounts of an asset over a period of time regardless of the price. For example, a DCA schedule will have you investing, say, $50 on Bitcoin every week rather than investing $200 at once. You may make changes to your DCA schedule from time to time to meet your changing requirements. So continuing from the example above, suppose you started buying $50 worth of Bitcoin every week 3 years ago. By now you would invested almost $8,000 in Bitcoin over these 3 years. And now using a DCA calculator you will find that the total value of your investment would currently stand at $21,777. That's a sizable gain of 177% chain over 3 years. So guys, please use DCA during bear market. And our second one will be diversification, which helps minimize the risk in your pool of investment. Supposedly, looking at growth of Bitcoin, you had invested all your funds in the world's largest crypto. Now, in a time of downtrend, you may suffer losses. Instead, you can allocate all your funds to different cryptos so that if the price of any of them rise or fall, you know that you have not hit rock bottom. Even if no bearish force is acting in the market, diversification minimize your risks and promise a certain degree of profit. You have to study the market well before choosing your basket of cryptos to diversify your portfolio and minimize their loss. Instead, you can allocate your funds to different cryptos so that if the prices of any of them rise or fall, you know that you have not hit rock bottom. Even if no bearish force is acting in the market, diversification minimizes your risks and promises a certain degree of profits. You have to study the market well before choosing your basket of cryptos to diversify your portfolio and minimize the loss. A few factors to pay attention to while choosing your basket include the potential growth of the crypto, history of price movement, and the highest price the crypto has been traded at. For example, choosing a mixture of large and small coins, diversifying between sectors such as currencies, gaming, metaverse, stables, DeFi, L1, L2s, as well as employing safe trading strategies that avoid going all in, that avoid risky high leverage, long or short positions, and strategies that avoid ownership of specific coins. So diversification is the best choice during bear market. Next one is going to be staking. Staking is locking up your cryptos on a network to become a validator for validating transactions on a particular blockchain and earning rewards. Cryptos that use proof of stake allow the staking in their platform. Staking allows for passive earning with your crypto holdings, which you can use to cover your losses in the bearish market. It results in locking up your cryptos, hence you avoid panic selling. Also, locking up takes away liquidity of the crypto. In my next video, I can tell you more about safe staking with stablecoins. Next one is yield farming or liquidity mining. For instance, you deposit your cryptos in Uniswap, one of the biggest DEX. In depositing your cryptos in the Uniswap liquidity pool, you become a liquidity provider and hence eligible for earning rewards. Apart from rewards, Uniswap also gives you Uni token, which are native tokens of the network for free. This concept is known as liquidity mining, so that's the option, and Uniswap is just an example, while you have a lot of platforms that does the same. Next one will be scalp trading. Given the high volatility of the crypto market, scalp trading is a good alternative in a bearish downtrend. Simply put, scalping is the short-term buying and selling of cryptos to earn small but recurring profits. These profits add up over time to result a good amount of return. You can use either of the two techniques during the bear phase to scalp trade, manual and automated. In manual scalping, you have to study the market carefully using real-time analysis to find openings and closing, while in automated scalping, you can develop the unique strategy according to your analysis and minimize the risk of your trading while you are not actively studying the market. And last one will be mostly like safety advice. Guys, avoid leaving your crypto on exchanges. Like they say, not your keys, not your coins. This is pretty much any scenario involving a centralized crypto exchange. Anyway, the risk losing your funds stored in this exchange become even bigger during turbulent bear market. Consider what might happen if there was a sudden market crash. Billions of dollars would be whipped out from market, from exchanges, so I definitely recommend you to use cold wallets or decentralized wallets, especially during bear market. Guys, if you really like this information and video, let me know in the comments, and in my next video I can tell you more about each of options I told you in this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.